Namaskar. The birth of a new baby in the house is a matter of great joy. Before and after the birth of the baby, the whole family is under pressure. There is a reason for this. Small families, one or two are enough. Because of this, the pressure is more during this time. This situation occurs in almost all families. Everyone is familiar with this. There is no need to say it separately. Many times we see that soon after birth, the symptoms of congenital jaundice appear in the child, and then this pressure comes to a great extent on the whole family. For this, it is important to see the treatment that is done in modern hospital today. The first solution to this is that by the keeping the child away from the mother and locking him in a box, a kind of radiation treatment is done. Also, some such medicines are given which are harmful to the liver. Although this is clearly given, it is still supported. It is said that this medicine is essential among them. Apart from this, there is no other medicines available today, or there is no alternative to it. According to the modern science in the world, there is actually no established cure for liver diseases. And so, jaundice is often a shocking case. If adults get jaundice and even a newborn baby gets it, it can cause serious problems. Everyone knows this. It is even more serious in the case of small children. And how will medicine be given to such a small child? This question arises. Since the question is very emotional and delicate, the situation has to be accepted. A question is asked on this: is there any medicine for this in Ayurveda? And how will be the given to a small child? So we want to tell you that in Ayurveda, medical practitioners have given and planned a very good and wonderful medicine for jaundice in small children. Ayurveda has considered this in a very touching manner. So there we are considering this topic, jaundice in small children. We are discussing this, and accordingly we will get some reassuring answers. The answer will always be useful for the society. What is said in Ayurveda? What I am telling you about this is not only as a scripture but also my personal experience in life. I am telling you this from my own experience. There is nothing to fear in such situation. Even today in India, when someone has jaundice, Ayurvedic medicine are used as treatment. We know that in many places special medicines are given for this. This means that the society has also accepted that there is no good treatment established for it in other sciences. Therefore, Ayurvedic treatment is resorted to. Question arises as to what can be done for a newborn baby. Since this is a delicate subject and there is no definite option before us, it is obvious that the existing treatment method is accepted. When considering this in Ayurvedic science based on Indian philosophy, without considering the general method, it has considered in a slightly different way. That is, we have always seen that today treatment is done without considering the causes of the disease. The disease is treated without removing the causes of the disease. This can take time to cure or can have long-term consequences. According to Ayurveda, Ayurveda has given a good solution for this newborn baby jaundice. In Ayurveda, the answer to jaundice in infants is not given in the chapter where jaundice is described. A different idea is given for this, and so it is believed that the jaundice occurs through the mother. The information that is given for this is that mother's breast, that is mother's milk, if it has gone bad, then it can cause jaundice. This is explained. 3 types of milk which are contaminated due to the Vata, Pitta, Kapha have been described. It is clearly stated that the jaundice is caused by milk spoiled by Kapha type and Pitta type. This means that if treatment is to be done, then it should be done on the mother, and if that contaminated milk is cured, then it automatically affects the child. If the mother is given medicine which is given for jaundice, then it will definitely have an effect on the child immediately and automatically, and he can get rid of it easily. Many times the mother has to give birth to child and then nourish him, so before and after delivery she is likely to be given nutritious food, heavy food, and food that is difficult to digest without taking care of time. Also, depending on the nature of the mother, if for some reasons this food causes indigestion, then Pitta and Kapha are likely to be disturbed, and so Kapha and Pitta are likely to increase in that place. While treating this, if we consider it in the context of jaundice, the Agni is weak, and in the place of weak Agni, if Pitta or Kapha increases due to indigestion from that food, then it can have an effect on the newborn baby, and so treatment is to be done. It is very important for the mother to do it, and before that, if there is a food that is easy to digest over time and it is digested properly, then there is no bad taste in the mother's milk. Therefore, if this bad milk is treated by treating the mother, its effect is felt by the child through the same milk. The medicines given to the mother are given in small doses through the milk, and it is certain that the jaundice is the child can be cured in a better way without any trouble. When the digestive power of the mother is not good, or when she has indigestion, or in a such situation nutritious food is given in excess, then these defects can arise, and therefore treating the mother is a very important matter. Otherwise, if the process of increasing Pitta and increasing Kapha continues, then it affects the child in the form of Pitta or Kapha disease. Jaundice is one of them, which the child gets due to the abnormality caused in the milk due to the indigestion of the mother, and therefore treating the mother first, that is eating only the what is digestible at that time, eating nutritious diet, even if it is indication is not completely correct in this case. If these things are followed, then definitely we can recover from this easily without any pressure. For this, the child does not even need to take unnecessary medicines. Thank you very much.